Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. This is my last Christmas decorating on a budget. I thought I would have more time because I had two other things that I wanted to do, but I didn't get a chance to do it because everything just got away from me. So my last thing for Christmas decorating on a budget, and you still could do this one really fast if you need to. This is a vase that you put a candle in. So it's really quick. You probably have all this stuff because everybody's been out buying little snips and little picks and everything like that. And everybody has it at the house. So you probably could do it. I put this little board behind it so you could see it better. So you can actually see what it is. So all it is a jar from, is a jar from the Dollar Tree. And some picks and a piece of ribbon, some picks, a piece of ribbon, and some, I just dropped my thing here, sorry, and some ribbon. So we're gonna get started. I put this right here so you could see what it was better. I'll move it up so you could see it. It's really nice, it's really cute, and it's easy to make, and we can make it in no time. So I'm gonna move this. Okay, put that right there. You need a tall cylinder from the Dollar Tree. You need some ribbon, preferably the kind that has wire in it, but you don't have to have wire, because I don't think this is wired. Let me see if it's wired. Yep, it's wired. Wired. Got my hot glue gun. I'm gonna take this. I cut it already for just so we can save time. I'm gonna put a little glue on it. Get it going. I have to keep telling myself hot glue is hot. So I'll remember not to burn myself, which I usually do all the time. Put this up the top, as closest to the top of it as you can get. Wrap it around really tight. Wrap it around really tight. Keep it up at the top. Take your glue. Put your glue on it. Oh, I think I glued that a little bit too much. Pull it. And then press it down. Got a little glue on my hand. Press it down. Okay. Oop. Got glue on my hand. Be careful with the glue, my friends. Okay, so there you go. So you got that. You can move it a little bit. Make sure you got it at the top. Make sure it's nice and tight. Need a little bit more glue right there. Okay. Oh, the glue is smoking. It's smoking. Okay, now I cut my second piece that I'm going to put at the bottom. This comes out, you know, for something so quick and simple to put on your table, or to put, you know, you could actually put this on your dining table when you're dining. You could put it on a side table as part of the side table decorations there. It just comes out really great for something. Oh, see that? Because I'm trying to do it all fast. I got glue all over the place. Glue all over the place. Glue. That glue string gets on my nerves. But for something that's so, you know, easy to make, that you can just get it done really quick right before your guests come. Get your hot glue gun out. You need just one more piece of something to pretty up something. You can do that. And you know, this doesn't just have to be these don't really have to just be Christmas, because I think I'm planning on using them from different times of the year. Like if I make if I do my Easter stuff, I'd like this to be Easter. So I probably would take the ribbon off that I put on here for Christmas, put an Easter ribbon on it, and have it as Easter decor. Have it as my Easter decor. So I'm going to pull that around there pretty tight. Get it on there. Put my glue down. And like I said in one of my earlier videos, I'm late getting up all my Christmas stuff. And you get to the point, you know, and I'm thinking, I'm so late getting it done. But I gotta have it done. And I usually enjoy my Christmas deco until New Year's Day. I should have decorated weeks ago so I could enjoy my tree. But I just didn't have got myself ready and in a good spot to do it. And everything. So, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. And then you get your picks out that you got. Spread it out a little bit. Spread your picks out. And just tuck them down. I'm taking this one apart. Tuck it down inside your thing here. Tuck it down in. Tuck that one in. Get your next one. Put a little glue down in there so to stay. So to stay. Tuck the next piece in. Tuck your next piece in. Put your berries in. Oh, I can't get my berries. My berries are stuck. Those berries. Gosh darn berries. There, got my berries in there. Now, I want to get this in. Do I want this? I don't know if I want that. Yeah, I do. I want it. I want this to go right in there like that. So I'll have it. And then when I put my bows on, I want to put one bow at the bottom down there. Like one bow down here, where all of that is. So I'm going to put let me cut this off. Put my hot glue down here so I can get my bow right there. There's my bow down there. Hold that on for a second so she won't fall off. And so I like that. I might trim this down. I think I'm going to trim this down a little bit. Plus I need some of this for something else. So I'm going to trim it down a little bit. There. I kind of like it down a little bit like that. Got my bow in there. I might stick a little pick right there so I can have this space. Put a little glue in there. There. All right, so that one's there. And I need one more bow to go at the top. One more bow to go at the top here. I'm going to put that. Let me see. I might have to trim my picks down just a little bit. Okay, so I want to test it out with my candle. Got my candle. I want to test it out. Oh, I forgot to put batteries in this one. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Got the batteries. This one has the batteries. I got these from the dollar store, but I have one that's a little bit better. Let's see. You can't hardly see my candle because I might have to put a different candle in there. Or I might, let me trim my picks down a little bit. Trim them down a little bit so I can at least see the light from my candle in there. Can you see the light from my candle? There. But nonetheless, did I need some greenery on here? Can you see the light from my candle? Let's see how that looks. I want to turn my light down a little bit and see how the light from my candles look. If I can see the light from the candle. There. You can see the light from the candle a little bit. Not when I turn it over. Can you see it? You can't see it, but you could probably see the light from the candle. But anyway, here are my 2 candle holders. And you know what? If you don't want to, you really don't have to put candles in them. But I think I want to put the bow at the top over there. But I want to trim its tails. Whatever. Doing that. I think I want the bow on the top up there. I just don't want it as long. I don't want them to be exactly alike. I want this one to be this way, with a shorter tail. Tell me I didn't just burn my hand. Yes, I did. Yes, I did just burn my hand. There. Well, let me think about that. Let me think about that for a minute. Now I think I want the bows to be the same. I think I want the bows to be the same. Let me play with this for a second. Wrap this around here like that. Chop that off. Put the bow down. Okay. Put the glue there. Okay, hold her on. Now they're the same. Now they look the same. This one has a bow. I think it's both. I think that one, I think the one at the bottom has the short tail. The one at the bottom has the short tail. There, like that. The one at the bottom has the short tail. There. There. Now I'm liking it. Now I'm liking it. I'll put my bigger I should have brought my bigger candles now. But you can put a fatter candle in than this little one that I have. Stick it in there like that. There, the hot glue gets all over everything. There we go. There you have it. Christmas lantern, my last one that I did for my decorating on a budget. I hope you like the series Decorating on a Budget. I'll probably do a couple more things for different holidays, but these turned out really, really good. I think the snowman was my favorite. And the trees were good. So, I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a good time with your family. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Be the reason somebody smiles. And, oh wait, and another project, Sarah. And for you all, I wish you joyful wishes. This is to all my subscribers, because I can't mail it all out to everybody. But for all my subscribers, to all my friends that drop by, have a joyful Christmas. Have the best time ever. And I'll see you all in the next video. Merry Christmas, everyone.